Welcome. Embrace the spirit of the season with a touch of sustainability. This holiday, consider creating an eco-friendly Christmas tree using scrap wood and tree branches. Not only does this approach help reduce waste, but it also brings a warm, rustic feel to your home. In this video, we'll share a variety of inspiring decoration ideas that will help you craft a beautiful and unique holiday centerpiece. Join us in celebrating a greener holiday season while showcasing your creativity and commitment to the environment. The holiday season often brings a whirlwind of shopping, decorating, and entertaining, all of which can lead to a significant environmental footprint. In response to this, many people are seeking more sustainable alternatives to traditional holiday practices. An eco-friendly Christmas tree made from scrap wood and tree branches is not just an innovative choice, but also a meaningful way to celebrate the season. This type of tree resonates with the principles of recycling and repurposing, allowing you to create something beautiful while contributing positively to the environment. Creating a Christmas tree from scrap wood and natural branches offers an opportunity to unleash your creativity. You can design a tree that reflects your personal style and the unique characteristics of the materials you use. For instance, consider using wooden pallets or leftover lumber to construct a flat tree shape that can be adorned with lights and ornaments. This minimalist approach can turn your living space into a festive haven without the need for a store-bought tree, which often comes with a hefty price tag and a hefty carbon footprint. Incorporating tree branches into your holiday decor is another way to make your Christmas tree stand out. Collect branches from your yard or a nearby park, ensuring they are free of any harmful pesticides or chemicals. Arrange them in a lovely spiral or tier design, using twine or wire to secure them. This natural aesthetic highlights the beauty of organic materials and aligns perfectly with the ethos of sustainability, reminding us of the natural world around us during the festive season. Once you have your base structure set, the real fun begins. Decorating. Consider using homemade ornaments crafted from natural materials such as dried fruit, cinnamon sticks, or even acorns. These organic accents not only add a delightful fragrance to your space, but also celebrate the natural elements of the season. In addition, you can create garlands from popcorn or cranberries for a classic touch that harks back to traditional holiday decor. When it comes to lighting your eco-friendly tree, opt for energy-efficient LED lights. These not only consume less electricity, but can also be reused year after year, contributing to a lower environmental impact than conventional incandescent bulbs. By choosing solar-powered options, you can further enhance your tree's sustainability, utilizing renewable energy sources to illuminate your holiday celebrations. Think beyond conventional ornaments. Nature itself can be a great source of inspiration. Use small pine cones, branches, and seasonal foliage to enhance your tree's natural look. Live plants, such as succulents or small potted evergreens, can serve as unique decorations that maintain their charm long after the holiday season is over. These living elements not only beautify your tree, but also contribute to indoor air quality, making your home feel fresh and vibrant. Another creative approach involves painting and personalizing scrap wood. Children can join in the fun by decorating pieces of wood with bright colors, glitter, or festive patterns. Family members can take turns adding their special touches, making the tree a collaborative project that fosters a sense of unity and joy during the holiday season. This personal element enhances the emotional value of the tree, transforming it into a cherished family heirloom rather than a temporary seasonal item. To deepen the eco-friendly theme, consider using biodegradable decorations. Look for craft supplies that are compostable or recyclable, such as paper ornaments or fabric garlands. This mindful choice ensures that once the festivities are over, your decorations can return to the earth rather than contribute to landfills. By incorporating eco-conscious materials, you cultivate a holiday atmosphere that reflects your commitment to sustainability throughout the season. Don't hesitate to involve your community in your eco-friendly endeavor. Host a holiday workshop with friends or neighbors where you can create your scrap wood trees together. This shared experience not only brings people together but also sparks discussions about sustainability and creative recycling. By inspiring each other, you can collectively foster a culture of eco-friendliness and make the holiday season more meaningful and enjoyable for all. As the holiday season progresses, don't forget to think about the future of your natural tree. When the celebrations are over, you can repurpose the wood and branches into garden mulch or compost, closing the loop on sustainability. This practice turns your festive creation back into a resource for the environment, exemplifying a commitment to reducing waste and nurturing the earth. Ultimately, an eco-friendly scrap wood and tree branch Christmas tree is more than just a decorative piece. It's an expression of values rooted in sustainability and creativity. It serves as a beautiful reminder that we can celebrate the joys of the holiday season while honoring our commitment to the planet. By embracing this green alternative, we inspire others to think critically about their holiday practices, encouraging a universal shift toward more sustainable choices. With each ornament and strand of light, you can celebrate not only the beauty of the season, but also the interconnectedness of our environment. Let this holiday season be a time of reflection, creativity, and joy as you craft a personal and eco-friendly Christmas tree that can be enjoyed by family and friends for years to come. Together, we can reimagine the traditions of the holiday season, paving the way for a brighter, greener future. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in our exploration of eco-friendly scrap wood and tree branch Christmas trees. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed these ideas, please consider subscribing to our channel for more creative and sustainable holiday tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, spreading the message of a greener holiday season. Together, we can make a positive impact on our environment. Happy holidays!